Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making zucchini bread with spelt flour. Alkaline Vegan Zucchini Bread, of course. So this is a giant zucchini. It was like 2.5 feet long. So we took the seeds out, but if it's a regular size zucchini, probably don't need to do that. Just blend it up in the food processor. We're gonna need 1 cup of this later. Then we've got 1 cup of homemade applesauce. This is unsweetened. 1/4 cup grapeseed or avocado oil. Teaspoon vanilla. A 1/2 cup of date sugar or agave. 1/3 cup. This is a different date sugar that we had. Combine it all together. It looks kind of like a brownie batter. 1 1/2 cup spelt flour. I do not eat wheat, so I use spelt. You could make that 1/2 cup, that extra 1/2 cup, you could make that rye, but just spelt is fine. Combine it together. By the way, the link for that giant bag of spelt flour is in the description. A 1/2 cup of walnuts. One cup shredded zucchini. And you could grate that with if you don't have a food processor. Mix it all together. All right, now we're just gonna put it in this loaf pan. It looks just like thick brownie batter. Nice and wet. It's not as firm as the other dough of other bread that we make. It's more like a brownie. All right, pop this in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about an hour. Here it is. Now make sure that it is done. It's getting nice and golden brown at the top. And we're gonna poke a toothpick down into it and make sure that it's done all the way through. It is pretty moist, but zucchini bread is gonna be very moist. It's not gonna be, you're not going to be making sandwiches out of it, but you can toast it and have it with tea or have it for breakfast, and it is really good. So here we go after it cools. I'm impatient, so I didn't cool it enough. And let's dig into this. I'm hungry. It's nice and fluffy, but then the chunks of walnut give it some nice texture. I'm gonna have some of this with some tea. What's your favorite tea? Comment below. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I appreciate all the likes, all the comments, and all the new subscribers recently. Welcome to the channel. And if you want to completely go alkaline, I have a transformation program. There's a link in the description to get a hold of me, and I can have a free consultation call with you. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. We've been posting every single day. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace.